Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Describe a traditional dish from your country. What is the dish? Why it is popular? What is its cultural significance? Mustard leaves and maize bread, one of the best fabled traditional delicacies from Punjab, is a dish loved by people especially during the cold season. It is an integral part of Punjabi livelihood as well as culture. Mustard leaves are cooked along with spinach leaves and other spices like garlic, ginger, etc., including green chilies. These green vegetables are slowly boiled till they get soft and then mashed so that it becomes a thick gravy having great taste. Generally, this dish is had along a flatbread made using corn flour. When combined together, these two make a complete nutritious meal. Several reasons contribute to its popularity. First and foremost, it is consumed mostly during winter in Punjab because mustard greens grow well in that season. In addition, this dish has many nutrients, making it not just delicious but healthy too. Also, it is a traditional dish which has been passed down over generations and many families have memories associated with it. Butter is usually poured on top, increasing its richness. There is a very deep-rooted association between mustard leaves and maize bread with agricultural tradition in Punjab. The dish is all about the simplicity and abundance of rural life. It uses fresh ingredients straight from farms to make meals. This food is also served during local celebrations and festivals, such as the Festival of Bonfire, the Punjabi festival, which signals end winter festivities, thus making occasions very special when it is shared among family members and friends. To sum up, mustard leaves and maize bread are not merely traditional dishes but represent Punjabi cultural legacy. The plain materials bring forth complex tastes, while its prominence makes this dish dearer to Punjab. The platter serves as a repository for warmth, solace and conventions. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel